If Opera is showing you an error page and a website suddenly won't load, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is on your side or whether the site itself is down, and then I'll show you the simple fixes that can get Opera loading pages again. This is especially helpful if a site keeps failing, you're seeing a blocked page, or Opera just refuses to open a website that used to work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser fixes and tech tips. Let's get into it. First, before changing anything in Opera, check whether the website or platform is having a wider outage. Open a new tab and search for the platform on DownDetector. What you want to look for is a sudden sharp spike in reports. If you see a big increase all at once, that usually means the problem is not just your browser. It means the service itself may be experiencing a global outage. If that is the case, your local browser settings are probably fine. In other words, there may be nothing wrong with Opera at all. The best thing to do in that situation is wait for the platform's engineering team to deploy a fix. That part matters because if the server is down, clearing settings over and over again will not solve it. So always start by confirming whether the issue is widespread. Now, if DownDetector does not show a major outage, the next thing to check is Opera's built-in VPN. Opera's integrated tools can sometimes trigger strict website firewall blocks, and that can cause a page to fail to load entirely. Some websites see the VPN connection, the browser routing, or the privacy features and immediately block access. So if you are getting an error page, this is one of the most common things to test. To turn off the VPN, look right next to your address bar for the VPN badge. Click that badge and then toggle the power switch to off. Once VPN is disabled, try loading the page again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the Opera error page because the website is no longer flagging the connection as suspicious. If the page still won't load, stay on the broken errors page and make one more important change. Click the padlock icon on the far left of the address bar. This opens the site's security and data settings. From there, click Site Settings, or in some versions, you may see Cookies and Site Data. Then choose Clear Data. This removes cached site data, cookies, and stored permissions that may be causing the page to break. After clearing the data, go back and try the site again. Sometimes an old cookie, a corrupted permission, or a stale session can stop the page from loading properly. Clearing the site data gives Opera a clean start with that website. Next, perform a hard refresh. On your keyboard, hold down Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This forces Opera to pull a fresh copy of the page instead of using an old cached version. If the browser was holding on to a broken file or outdated page element, a hard refresh can fix that instantly. So to recap, the best way to fix an Opera error page is to first check DownDetector for a platform outage, then turn off Opera's VPN if the site is being blocked, clear the site data using the padlock menu, and finally use Ctrl plus F5 for a hard refresh. That sequence covers the most common causes without wasting time. If this video helped you get Opera working again, please hit the like button, subscribe for more browser troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Opera error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.